Parle, with a mission, One Roof Solution for Healthcare, has been serving the healthcare industry for more than 4 decades. Established in 1974 by Mr. Rajmal Mehta, Parle has continued to grow organically year after year with effective utilization of available resources and forging strategic alliance with well-known international pharma engineering companies around the world. 1983 – Formation of Parle Tablet Tools Pvt. Limited. 1997 – Partnering with Global Technologies. 2008 – Joint venture with Elizabeth Carbide Company Incorporated. 2009 – Inauguration of new pharma facility at Vasai, Mumbai for tablet tooling. 2010 – Initiated tablet press manufacturing at Ahmedabad, Gujarat with Elizabeth Hata, USA. 2013 – Joint venture with Kovai for tube filling and jar filling sealing machine. 2014 – Joint venture with Lepak Company Limited. 2014 – Inauguration of new facility at Sanand, Gujarat for tablet tooling. 2016 – Inauguration of new facility in Sanand, Gujarat in collaboration with Hata, Japan. 2018 – Joint venture with Frond Corporation, Japan. Joint venture with Pacifab Technologies LLC. Parle continued to evolve constantly by developing and adding new products to the product range. With more than 1,000 plus employees today, Parle is committed to meet the expectations of the customers and ensure to be a reliable and most preferred partner for its products and services. The group of companies trying to fulfill their vision, One Roof Solution for Healthcare, strives its best to cater to all kinds of requirements in pharmaceutical, food and beverages and cosmetic, processing and packaging industry. Parle, One Roof Solution for Healthcare. Parle Freund Machinery Pvt. Limited for Granulation Solutions. Freund for Granulation and Coating Solutions. Parle Elizabeth Tools Pvt. Limited for tableting solutions. Parle Elizabeth Tools Pvt. Limited for tablet testing solutions. Parle Elizabeth Tools Pvt. Limited for tooling solutions. Parle Elizabeth Tools Pvt. Limited for tool care. Pacifab LLC for capsule filling solutions. Parle Global Technologies Pvt. Limited for capsule check wear. Parle Global Technologies Pvt. Limited for printing solutions. Counting and filling solutions. Packaging Solutions. Capping Solutions. Cartoning Solutions. Vial for automatic tablet visual inspection systems. Parle Global Machinery Pvt Limited for tube filling solutions. Cube Gel for soft gel encapsulation. Cepha for leak testing and blister packing. Hitachi for Ampoule, Vial and Syringe inspection systems. Parle Lepak Machinery Pvt Limited for weighing, filling and sealing solutions. Parle, one roof solution for healthcare. Our products have their presence in over 69 countries and are supported by 9 branch offices in India with a team of sales and service personnel in each office. Parle provides 24/7 customer services to meet the ever-changing expectations of the industry. Parle, one roof solution for healthcare.